Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I want to show you how to see Snapchat story views on your Snapchat account. So guys, if you want to view Snapchat story views, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply go back to your home screen first, and after this you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat on your device. So guys, simply do this, and after this open Snapchat, and from here you will see your profile or the story. Simply tap on this, and once you are here you will see your story here. Simply tap on this, and if you can see the eye icon here you will see all of your views. So guys, here you can see a little eye icon. You can see your views from here. So guys, this is the first way, and you can also press and hold this, and once you tap on this you can easily see the views of your story from here as well. So I simply tap on the story from here, and then tap on this icon or the eye icon, and here you will see all of your viewers of this Snapchat story. So guys, you can see this. You can see all of your friends which have watched your story on Snapchat. So guys, in this way you can also see your viewers or your Snapchat story viewers on your Snapchat account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.